Good morning, I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a 2019 Winnebago Sunstar 29VE, just like the last one I just showed you, but this one's going to be in red. We've got our side cameras on the side here. Gives you a really nice view of what's going down the side of your coach when you turn on your turn signal. Directly underneath the main mirrors here. We've got the push button electric awning. It does have the LED strips, I think. Oh, let me check. I didn't turn them on. There we go. Love those lights up there. And you can kind of use that switch to have that light either shine at the side of the coach or shine straight down, or kind of angle them wherever you want. We've got a lot of storage in here. Okay. And if you look, you know, we got some storage that goes all the way through the other side. We've got our Aussie barbecue for the outside kitchen. We've got our 1000-watt inverter so we can have silent power, watch TV, be entertained without running the generator or making any noise. The outside TV, you pull this handle, it comes out, and you can kind of move it wherever you want. It's a good sized TV, or you can listen to the radio out here. A little more storage here. Ah, I wish my coach had this. Great outside kitchen. A lot of good storage here. Even a little ice bucket with a drain. In the back, we've got our rear furnace, our trailer hitch for towing. We've got our ladder. Get up on the roof, do our inspections. As we go down the passenger side, first thing we come to from the back is our generator, 4000 watt. Our shore power, our fuel inlet, more storage. You can see that goes all the way out the other side. Great for like fishing poles and stuff like that. Here we've got our plumbing station, whole house water filter. Really easy, clean, very nicely done. Winnebago's been doing this for, gosh, 60 years now. Here's another really nice storage area. You can see that little tray there for holding the outside barbecue. Here we've got our fixed propane tank with our hydraulic system. Easy to get to the hydraulics, add fluids, check your maintenance, service work, anything we need to do. Let's go inside and take a look at the inside of this one. Up front we've got our Ford chassis, automatic hydraulic leveling, heated electric mirrors, our AM/FM stereo system with the backup and side cameras, air conditioning, flip up desk for the passenger. Both chairs are going to spin around, become part of your living room. Then above our cab area we've got a really nice drop down bed. Comes down very quickly. Isn't that gorgeous? If you don't want to use it as a bed, you can push a button, run it up, keep anything you want to have hidden away, kind of secret it away. If you pull the key out, people are not going to be able to get to it. Be careful, don't lose the key, you won't be able to get to it either. But we can get you another key if we need to. So this coach on the driver's side has got a full wall slide out, and that's going to keep our slide all on one side, one mechanism. It's not going to be taking up our patio space. Our sofa is a jackknife bed, so they're sleeping, and then our table here is also going to make into a bed. So we got more sleeping here, we got more sleeping up there. Okay, we've got our ducted air conditioning. We've got our TV. It's mounted right here. It's a nice good sized TV. It's going to be in a good position to watch it from several areas in the coach. Our kitchen's got some beautiful counter space here. You know, it's only a 29-foot floor plan, and it still gives you a decent amount of kitchen. Love the overhead storage. And the wood. Oh, if you could really get a good idea how this wood looks. It's beautiful wood. We've got our 3-burner stove with the propane oven. They put in this really beautiful cover for the stove so it helps to increase our counter space. We've got our microwave. We've got our Norcold refrigerator freezer. This is a Norcold, so it's adjustable. You can actually program, you know, how cold you want it to be. On this side, we've got our bathroom. Good size shower. Decent bathroom size for a small coach. It's actually pretty gosh darn decent. In back, we've got our queen walk-around bed. There's storage on both sides of the bed, both above and below. Oops. Looks like we lost a strut. On this side, coming back just a little bit, we've got our pantry. Almost forgot to show you that beautiful pantry, nice and deep. And then we've got our hanging closet. Okay. Underneath our hanging closet, we've got 6 good sized drawers. And then we have our bedroom TV. Gotta have a bedroom TV nowadays. 3 TVs is about right for a 29-foot coach. Behind the TV, we've got some deep storage here. Love that storage. You gotta use every inch. You know, there's a lot more I could tell you about the Winnebago product. So come in and see me, and I'll be happy to share more information with you. I'm Roger.Woodruff with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Give me a call. Thanks.